After fixing the smooth edge in place, cut the aero cushion underlay in place and fix to the subfloor using a pressure-sensitive adhesive. We use the aero cushion underlay because it's the same thickness as the architectural smooth edge for an even finish. Lay out the sisal ready for cutting and joining, and as with conventional installation, trim the sisal back from the edge so a good join can be achieved. Mark the underlay using the edge of the carpet to later position the dual bond heat bond tape. Measure out the length of the dual bond heat bond tape, leaving a small length for later offcut. Do not trowel the glue under the dual bond heat bond tape. If using single-sided heat bond tape, ensure that the glue is applied underneath the tape to give adhesion to the underlay. Using the Gold Sticks adhesive or the Mapai Echo 185 or 220 and the recommended trowel, glue the sisal to the aero cushion underlay. Place the 4-inch dual bond heat bond tape in position and apply a bead of clear drying aquatear wood glue on each edge of the join. Using the iron, roller and weight, join the two lengths together. Use a roller to make sure the adhesive penetrates into the uneven surface of the latex backing on the sisal. When the adhesive is cured, trim the sisal in. As with the conventional method, you'll need sharp blades and a trimmer adjusted to cut the sisal longer than you would with a conventional carpet. When trimming around door jambs or architraves, always place a safety board on top of the sisal so there are no miscuts or damage to the sisal fibres. You'll need to use your quick tuck roller or stair tool to tuck the sisal in behind the smooth edge.